I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? Tell you what Christmas is all about?
Chestnut roasting.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm actually going to be doing a try on haul of pretty much what I'm going to be wearing and bringing to Tennessee and to Atlanta. I will be in Atlanta for like the day that I get there, and then one more day, and then the next day I will be off to Tennessee for like 5 days or something. So I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys what I'm bringing as far as clothes and what it looks like. So if that's something that you're interested, then please feel free to keep on watching. Okay, so this is the first outfit and it's just like a comfy kind of look. So I have this oversized t-shirt that I actually got from H&M. I'm wearing some like yoga pants, and these are actually from Costco, and these are literally so comfy. And the best part is like they're high-waisted, or I don't know if they're just high-waisted on me because I'm only 5'3", so. But yeah, they have like a little boot cut at the bottom. It's not too much if you don't really like that look, but I don't really mind it. But yeah, so this would be like just like a very lounge wear, being around the cabin kind of vibes. Okay, so this is the second outfit. This is again like just a comfy outfit. I have the same t-shirt on as the previous outfit just because I don't really want to change into a different one, and honestly this is probably what I would wear with it, or if not I would wear like a long sleeve. But yeah, so it just has like a velvet feel to it, and this is from New York & Company, but I believe they are like closed now, like they have totally shut down. So yeah, but these other pants, again, they're like kind of like wide leg, and then the top has a little like hoodie. So this is the third outfit, and honestly I freaking love this outfit. This shirt is from Ross. Literally, if you guys live in anywhere where it's like cold or you get cold easily or whatever, these are literally the best shirts. I have 2 other shirts from this brand. So as you can see, I still have like the tags on them and everything. But I even like go running in these whenever it's cold outside. This is the brand. I highly recommend, and the price is really nice and affordable. So as for the outfit, I'm just wearing this really colorful scarf. I actually saw it last year at Burlington, but it was like kind of expensive, but I saw it this year and it was $3.99, so I decided to get that. And then this hat I also got at Burlington and it was $6. The shirt, again, Ross, like $5. And then these pants, I believe I got at Marshall's for like $10. These are like the best high-waisted pants I've ever worn. I love this scarf. Like imagine by the fireplace and you just, a little cobijita moment, like you just, like the pictures, oof. Okay, so this is the black one, and I just paired it with a beanie. This beanie is from New York. My boyfriend actually got it for me a couple years ago. Aww. And I haven't been able to wear it because it doesn't get that cold in Florida, but I'm so excited to wear it now. But yeah, so for Christmas, this is pretty much what I'm sure I'm gonna be wearing. It's just this really nice sweater. It's a little cropped, which I don't mind because I'll be wearing my high-waisted jeans. As you guys can tell, I'm pretty much just gonna be wearing jeans when we're just walking around or in the cabin or whatever. I'm bringing these jeans, and then I'm bringing these other ones, but the other ones are in the washing machine, so can't really show you that. But yeah, so usually my family and I, we wear like a dress or a skirt or just like dress up fancy. But this year, since we're gonna be like in a cabin, we decided to go more for like a more chill fancy kind of thing. So the sweater is from Ross. I'm a big fan of Ross. Yeah, and pants, Marshalls, and then my headband. I don't really remember where it's from, but if I remember, I'll put it on the screen. I don't know why, I have a feeling that I bought this one in Mexico, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, and then for this outfit, it's just this brown sweater, jeans. The sweater is from H&M. I am literally obsessed with this sweater. I cannot tell you guys how many times I wore this last year, but yeah, it's super comfy and it's nice. My headband, I am pretty sure I got it at Dillard's like way back when, because I remember I was still in high school and I've been out of high school for 5 years now. So yeah, but she's still good. It's from Betsey Johnson. So I mean, if you can find it, cool. If not, I'm sorry. This jacket is everything. I got it at one of the Daytona outlet stores. I do not know what it's called because it was like the sweater store, jacket store thing, and they were closing, and this jacket I got for like $20 when originally it was like 100 and something. So yeah, and this one is thick, so you'll definitely see some pictures in this outfit. So this is the next outfit. I'm not really sure when I would wear this, either in Tennessee or Atlanta. So the shirt is from Forever 21, and then the hat I believe is from Burlington. This hat is thick and it came with gloves, but my gloves are over there, and yeah. Like for this one, if it is a little bit more chilly, I have this puffer jacket. I have not been able to wear this jacket. I bought it last year, I believe for like Black Friday time, and I haven't been able to wear it because it didn't really get that cold in Florida. So, but pretty much this is what it looks like. It's just a puffer. Honestly, you would think it's warmer because it looks huge, but it's really not. And then this jacket is from Fashion Nova, so highly doubt that they still have it because I got it last year, but it's really nice. I will say the only issue is that last year, when I was trying it on, literally the day that I got it, the zipper got stuck to like this inner part, and I had to slip this out like from the bottom, and I could not get it undone. So I'm like always so terrified to zip it because of it. And then this is pretty much the last outfit I have, and this is just my snow pants and a shirt. I don't know if this is like the beanie that I'm gonna wear with it. I think I'm just gonna have to figure it out, but yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I believe this is the jacket I'm gonna wear probably to go skiing, because you need a thickums one, and this is the thickums one. And with this jacket, I also got it at that one store that I got the brown jacket from. Really, really good price. So this is what I'm gonna look like. This jacket is, it says Mark New York. I don't know. This shirt is from Forever 21. The snow pants are from Amazon. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. I am not even really sure if I'm gonna be wearing all those outfits or bringing all those things. I might bring different stuff, but if you guys want to know what I end up bringing and in detail other stuff that I bring, then you might as well subscribe and check out my other videos and wait for my pack with me video to see what I am bringing. So that includes like my clothes, makeup, skincare, shoes, jewelry, and all that good stuff. I would really appreciate it if you guys like this video, share it with your friends and family, and of course subscribe to my channel. And if you aren't already following my Instagram will be up on the screen. And just a reminder, if you are traveling, please make sure you are staying safe and following all the guidelines, which my family and the two other families will be doing. And I would just want to mention that we these two families that are going, we have been around each other like the whole time. We are all gonna get COVID tested actually this Saturday, which I will be vlogging, so I will be vlogging the trip too. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Most famous reindeer of all,
Just
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer.